Hey everybody, it's Crappie Dan at the Crappie Expo 2022 B&M poles here at Grizzly Jigs. You can get yours here today. I'm going to tell you, this rod and reel by B&M is out for the 22-23 season. This is a quality casting rod for small jigs. And I love to use my Bobby Garlands with this. I throw everything with this rod and reel. I also like to actually pitch with this rod. And as you can see, it's a quality rod with quality guides all the way up it. It's a wonderfully masterful rod and reel. This rod will allow you to cast these baits long distances using a lighter line. I use up to 10-pound test. This rod and reel comes as a combo. It's a quality reel with it that's from B&M that matches this rod's perfectly. How do I use it? I like to go out with this rod, find them on live scope, cast a road runner with a Bobby Garland on it, or pitch it past them and reel it to them, or let it pendulum down to the fish. I like to use a shorter rod like this when I'm in close to cover, or I have what I call a lot of head cover, where you can't use a longer rod, and when you bring it up, or if you're fishing docks, this is a great rod to go in there and pitch around a dock and use this rod. So 75th anniversary from B&M, get yours, and you can't go wrong. This is a great casting and pitching rod and reel. Crappie Dan, have a great day.